Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips. 5 kilograms weight loss in 1 week with turmeric tea. Weight loss recipes of Turmeric Detox tea. Here is a weight loss tea that will help you reduce 5 kgs in 1 week only. In addition, it will also help you lose 3 to 4 inches if you have this tea regularly. You don't need to do any rigorous exercise or dieting to lose weight if you take this tea. This is a fat cutter drink prepared with 100 natural ingredients. The secret ingredient of this tea is turmeric, also known as Haldi, so it's called Turmeric Tea. Today King Green Tips will show you how to make this cup of tea. Ingredients you need to prepare from this recipe. The first is 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. The second is 1 fresh ginger. Third is an olive oil. Fourth is 1 cup of filtered water. Here are 4 ingredients you need to prepare from this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, ginger. We peel off the outer shell. Before peeling you should clean ginger. When ginger is peeled off the peel, then you use a knife to cut ginger into small slices. Now I will talk about ginger's effect. Ginger tea is a popular and natural remedy for a wide variety of digestive disorders, including upset tummy, vomiting, and gastritis. It is also an established remedy for cold and cough. However, during the recent past, it grabbed the attention of weight loss enthusiasts. Nicknamed as the edible amphetamine, ginger tea enhances thermogenesis and curbs the hunger pangs. Keeping hunger under control is quintessential when it comes to losing weight. Indigestion is a common problem for many people, and ginger tea helps by easing blockages in the colon and promoting a natural cleansing action. By removing toxins through the bowel, as well as extra waste, the body will shed weight. High cholesterol is now being shown to have a direct correlation with obesity, and obesity can lead to diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Ginger has been shown to reduce cholesterol by breaking down the fats that clog arteries. Ginger tea is a great way to feel fuller, and is a natural appetite suppressant. Since it contains water, one of the most abundant hunger satisfiers, a glass of this before your meal helps to promote eating less food. Next, add the cup of water into the pot, then pour the chopped ginger bowl into the pot, cover and boil it. When the water has boiled, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to the pot and stir with a spoon for turmeric to dissolve into the water. You cook for another 5 minutes and turn off the stove. You pour the water into the cup. Finally, you can use 1 tablespoon olive oil and stir it with a spoon. One of the reasons of weight gain is low-grade metabolic inflammation. Turmeric contains a polyphenol, curcumin, that possesses anti-inflammatory and anti-obesity properties. This property of curcumin helps to suppress white adipose tissue inflammation. Curcumin also inhibits fat cell proliferation and promotes adiponectin secretion, an anti-inflammatory agent secreted by fat cells. Another way in which turmeric helps weight loss is by regulating sugar levels and preventing insulin resistance. It has been seen that regular consumption of turmeric increases the bile present in the stomach. Bile is a digestive juice that helps in emulsifying fat and consequently, its metabolism. So, this is another way in which turmeric is effective in weight loss. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is full of vitamin E and antioxidants. These help fight the free radicals in your bloodstream that may be the cause of some of the effects of aging as well as certain cancers. Monounsaturated fats are associated with lowering low-density lipoproteins LDLs, the bad cholesterol, and raising the levels of high-density lipoproteins HDLs, the good cholesterol in your bloodstream. Proper balance between LDLs and HDLs can help decrease your risk of heart disease. The better your body functions, the better you feel, and the more likely you are to exercise and make healthy choices. Turmeric, used in almost every house daily, has numerous health benefits. It helps in cutting body fat and also aids digestion. You can always prepare turmeric tea by just adding turmeric to water, but if you really want to lose weight fast, then make it with all these ingredients. Besides, create a suitable diet and exercise regularly to improve your health while speeding up your weight loss process. Thank you for watching the video. Hello, and see you guys in the next weight loss videos.